create MailerLite subscriber from Zenler lead automatically. So Zenler is an amazing course selling platform, and whenever a new lead is generated in Zenler, I will show you how you can add that lead to MailerLite and create subscriber automatically. So if you also want to sync the Zenler leads with the MailerLite, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Zenler and this is the dashboard of MailerLite, and in order to send the leads of Zenler to MailerLite automatically, firstly I will have to build an integration in Zenler and MailerLite, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. So I have provided, basically I have directly pasted the name as create MailerLite subscribers from Zenler lead automatically. Now simply click on create and then you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. So this is how you need to always choose the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, we want that whenever any new lead is generated in our Zenler application, then automatically add that lead as a subscriber in MailerLite email marketing application. Okay, instead of MailerLite, let's say you want to create the subscriber in some different email marketing software like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, you can also do the same. All you need to do is to select your preferable email marketing application. Okay, currently I'll go with the MailerLite only. Now I will be connecting both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So let us first connect Zenler with Pabbly Connect, and firstly we will capture the details of the lead. Okay, so that is why I will be selecting the trigger event, that is new lead. Okay, you can also read the instruction. Triggers when a new lead is added, and yes, I want to perform the same. Okay, so clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the API key and the school and account. Okay, so I will first take you to the dashboard of Zenler, and from the URL you can actually get the school name, the account name. Okay, so in my case I have the account name as Pabbly. Okay, so I have copied and pasted the same, asking for the API key. So for that you will have to visit this developer and API section. Okay, so firstly I will click on the profile section, then clicking on settings, and at the left bottom corner you will find the option of developers and then API key, and from here you can generate your API key. Okay, one key is already generated, so I am going to directly copy this key, coming back and let me paste the same, clicking on save, and this is how my Zenler account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that the most recent lead which has got added in our Zenler account will be captured. The details of that lead will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I will create a new lead in front of you. Okay, so this is my marketing funnel section, and here some testing funnels are already created. So I will open some random funnel in front of you firstly, and basically I am going to preview this funnel in front of you. So firstly I will edit this funnel, and again this is just a testing funnel, and here in this funnel details you will find the URL of this funnel. Okay, so let me copy this funnel URL and let me open the same in a new tab. Okay, I'm sorry, in a new tab, and from here I will generate a new lead, a demo lead with some dummy details. Okay, so give me a second. So I have provided the first name as demo, the last name as user, and email address as demoUser4321@pabblitudes.com, and here I am collecting only 3 basic information: the first name, last name, and email address. Okay, so clicking on submit, and as soon as I do that, here you can notice the submission is made, and now in front of you I will click on this button, and you will notice that as a response the same data will be fetched up. Okay, so here you can notice the same email address has been captured, the same first name has been captured, and the same last name has been captured. Okay, so in this way you can collect the information directly from Zenler into Pabbly Connect, and once you have this data inside Pabbly Connect dashboard, you can send this data to different application and automatically create subscribers. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection is working absolutely fine, and in this way the first step of our automation is done. Okay, so now onwards what will happen: every time a new lead is generated in our Zenler account, the same details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 8 hours, because the trigger here is the polling based, and this trigger will check for the new data in 8 hours. Okay, now moving further, I will send the same lead data to MailerLite email marketing application. Okay, so firstly I will select the action event as create or update subscriber, and just like I have connected Zenler and Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this MailerLite with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so clicking on connect button, clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token. Okay, so you can read this instruction, and if you are already logged in your MailerLite account, you can directly click on this hyperlink and it will redirect you to that specific place from where you can actually get the token. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this green button, that is generate a new token. Let us provide a random name, something like connection with the Pabbly. Okay, give me a second. First tick mark this checkbox and then click on this button, and this is how the token will be generated. Let me copy the same, let me close the same, and let me paste the same, and this is how my MailerLite account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now here you can notice, because we are connected, whatever the subscribers are already available in my MailerLite account have started visible here, and in this particular case, instead of selecting any subscriber from this drop down, I am interested in adding the new subscriber data. Okay, how I am going to do that? Remember, we have already captured the subscriber detail, basically the lead details, as the response of our Zenler step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy these details again and again and paste here. I am going to map the details. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Firstly, we will enable this mapping button option, then we will remove this existing email ID. Okay, and as soon as you click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, so now from here I will be selecting this email ID, and in this way my email ID, the subscriber's email ID, will be mapped. Now you must be thinking, what is the significance of mapping? So whatever the details we will provide here manually will remain same, but whatever the details we will map here will be changed automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, so in the same way I am going to map other details also, like the first name, last name. Okay, and again whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically. In this way our automation is going to take place, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation. Okay, so if you also have any other lead related information, you can provide that information here. Currently I have collected only 3 basic details, so I'll proceed with the same. So that is why I am leaving all these fields blank, clicking on this button save and send test request, and firstly I am waiting for the response. Okay, and if the response is positive, that means the subscriber is successfully created in our MailerLite email marketing application. Okay, so the response is already received. Let me check the subscriber section of MailerLite, and fingers crossed, because I'm really expecting the same subscriber to be created here automatically. And here you can notice with the same email address the subscriber has been created. In fact, it has the same first name and the last name as well. Okay, so in this way you can sync the lead of Zenler with the MailerLite email marketing application automatically, and the data will be updated in every 8 hours. Okay, and in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this 2-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.